Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about Izingane Zezethembu once again. So they took a trip coming to Joburg. It seems like them Selekus are really vibing with Joburg right now because on the previous season they came, they were in in Johannesburg, they were in Sun City, you know again, they said they are coming back in Gauteng. I'm not sure which results they are going to, but yeah, they're going to be in Gauteng once again. I mean, they already reside in Durban or close to Durban, rather. So I know that they might have been in Durban multiple times since they're in KZN, close to Durban. However, why can't they go to Cape Town? Why can't they go to Mpumalanga? Why can't they just explore other provinces and other results? Okay, why Gauteng? Why Gauteng? I feel like the budget is steep, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, Umpumelelo came with both his girlfriends, Utiritiri and Amahle. Amahle is now a fiance, right? Because Mpumelelo paid Lobola. Even if it was half Lobola, I don't know. Even if it was half Lobola, she's still a fiance, according to me, okay? So Utiritiri is now the girlfriend. As now the girlfriend. So guys, the fact that Mpumelelo has went and paid Lobola for Amahle and not Utiritiri, even though Utirelo is, the first girlfriend, even though not the first girlfriend, but she is like older than Amahle, Tirelo has been dating Umpumelelo longer than Amahle have been. Amahle, I think, have been dating Umpumelelo for like around about 6 months, and Umpumelelo did right by her. He was like, Lalela, Gia Ekaya, I'm going to ask a hand in marriage. And Utirelo 4 years later, nothing. She only have a baby to show for it. And this concerns her, she's concerned, she's worried. And funny enough, on the previous season, she was just like, Khanti kunali ing goba mamkhulu na akinali sipe. Yo, hey, yo Tirelo, age yo na akina taba le goba mamkhulu. Gwa tshwana mos ing. Wa utlwa. Utirelo, guys, in disrespecting of you guys, like honestly for me, like it's so hard to look at Utirelo in a different light ever since what she did to you guys last season. And I understand that the person who completely disrespected you guys as is Upumelelo, a boyfriend, but still, as women, I feel like we should show each other grace, because one way or the other, as women, we go through similar situations. And just because another woman is going through it now, it does not mean that you should be mean, because you have no idea what life holds in store for you. You can be going through the same thing again. You will expect us to give you grace. Like, I have nothing for Tirelo, no empathy, no nothing. If anything, I'm like, karma, take its course. Take its course, okay? So, the very same Tirelo who told us last year that she does not care about positions, she does not care about ukuba umamkhulu, she does not care about anything, she disrespected Vuyokazi like badly when Vuyokazi was actually going through it, okay? Vuyokazi had 2 kids, young baby. The baby was barely even 3 months, the second one. And I could just understand that she is honestly going through it. But Tirelo was disrespectful because Umpumelelo was in love with Utirelo at the time. But now the worlds have changed. The worlds have changed. Now Umpumelelo is in love with the new girlfriend. Listen to what the new girlfriend says. The new girlfriend says, once you fall pregnant, like Lalela, like indaba yakhe iphelile, like a man doesn't love you, or a man love you less and respects you less. I'm like, girl, So obviously now the new girlfriend Amahle is getting a new treatment or a better treatment, right? And of which Terelo's text messages confirmed this, herself. She's like, okay, I'm guessing that I am the pillow talk right now, of which it seems like she knows, she knows that Mpumelelo makes Ipilo talks about one of his girlfriends, okay? She talks like someone who's talking from experience. Fine, Kazini. Not Uterelo was like, you know what? I have to confide Mpumelelo ngimbuze ukuthi why did he went to Amahles and pay lobola even though I have been dating him for longer? Okay, well, Mpumelelo, as we all know him, even his father, Umusamseleko says like there is no one who can talk to Mpumelelo at this point. One thing about Mpumelelo, even elders, okay, he just give them a middle finger and be like, listen, I'm not ready to talk to you. And we saw him doing, or rather giving Uvyokazi the same treatment last year. Uvyokazi, I think more than anything, she left because Mpumelelo wanted her to leave, okay? So again, Uteritiri, who Mpumelelo have been calling Utirelo Isoja, die hard, this and that. Now she's looking for answers, rightfully so, rightfully so. They've been dating for the longest, dating someone for 4 to 5 years. You have a child with this person, and this person goes and pay lobola for someone else. Like, that's just, you need to clarify why, okay? However, I do feel that Mpumelelo wants his first wife to be Zulu. I don't know why, because clearly he has made sure that he likes other tribes. He has made sure that he wants to bring other tribes to KZN, which I love it for him. I'm like, good for you. And Mpumelelo, you are definitely doing right. Okay, if you like Tswana, go for Tswana, bring them to KZN. We just, as tribe, at some point we need to mix and stop this thing or segregation of being separated. Tswana this side, Zulu this side, Xhosa this side, at some point, because at the end of the day, we live together in Gauteng. We might as well live together even in our provinces. So I love what Mpumelelo is doing. However, it does seem like he really wants his first wife to be Zulu. He's like, it's okay, I don't mind dating other tribes and bringing them to KZN, but my first wife has to be Zulu. It gives, really, he wants his first wife to be Zulu. However, I don't know whether he wants to say it or he wants to communicate with his girlfriend, because he has to. Okay, if he wants his first wife to be Zulu, he has to communicate with the people who have been in his life, But then Uterelo is asking Uguti, Haibona wena Mpumelelo, I want to know Uguti, why did you go and pay lobola? And worst part, I just found out by myself. You didn't even tell me that you're going to pay lobola. Mpumelelo is just like, Lelela, I'm not ready to answer any questions. Like, Mpumelelo is the rudest person ever in this world. Like, he is rude beyond being rude, okay? And he walks away, he walks away, and Uterelo is like, yeah, this is how you are. So it seems like even in their argument, that's just how Mpumelelo is. Mpumelelo will quickly just walks away and never answer anyone or give anyone an answer, because Uterelo is just like, yeah, this is how you are. You never answer, you never take accountability, you never do anything. However, I do feel like the siblings this time around are more on Terelo's side, because everyone is just asking, why did you go and pay lobola for this new girlfriend that you barely know? Okay, your relationship is brand new, like 6 months fresh. Why did you go and pay lobola for that person and leave this one who is even the mother of your child? I mean, no one talked for viewers last season, okay? If anything, they were just more like, like, we have nothing, we have no comment on it, okay? And they all just let viewers go through it. Except Tumpilo. I mean, I would say that Tumpilo definitely was more nicer towards Uvuyokazi, you know. But anyway, guys, one thing that I will tell you is that Umpumelelo, you know, he will come to his senses and do a surprise engagement for Tiritiri, you know, which is gonna be nice, but I don't know, guys. Well, Terelo accepts the engagement, but yeah, guys, at this moment, Umpumelelo is confused himself because he does not know whom is going to be his first wife, whom is going to be his second wife. But also, being Zulu myself, I understand that him paying lobola for Amahle does not mean that Amahle is his wife. It means that Amahle is his fiancé, not his wife. So therefore, the day that he get married, he can decide to get married to Terelo first. Then that will make Terelo the first wife. So currently, right now, Umpumelelo doesn't have a first wife or a second wife. Umpumelelo have a fiance, which is Amahle, and if he does decide to make an engagement for Terelo, which is gonna be like engagement is lungu, guys, in like engagement is Sintu, which is lobola, then engagement is lungu, which you know how white people do their engagement. So for me, I think it will make them, both of them, they will be fiancés, if that's even a word. If that's even a word. But anyway, guys, just for Utirelo nje ukuthi athole umgowo omncanyana, you know, omncane, even if nje umgowo omncane, as long as wisha usisters, I am happy. Anyway, guys, this is the end of my review. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Uvuyokazi is lying. It's not because Umpumelelo is toxic and what. It's just because Umpumelelo doesn't want to make her umamkhulu. Now another woman must speak to your man for you? No, so sana awusilona yini wena isoja. And then Amahle replies, how sorry my love, ezababili azingenwa, ngiubani nje mina ongakhuluma lezo zindaba. As you said, akuyona group work. Yeah. So guys, it seems like kwaba heated exchanging of words between Amahle no Terelo, whereby Terelo end up telling Amahle ukuthi akuyona group work sana. Now this is Terelo uthi, I don't know why I misdirected my anger to you. I let whatever that's going on take me out of character, and honestly ungenaphi wena, nowhere. Although your response was so condensing and sarcastic, which actually just proved to me that I don't know, it's proved to her that what. Okay, which actually proved to me that you just bluntly don't see me, or rather respect me, but it's okay, because it's all honestly, I was like, shuthi le pillow talk ingami, what nonsense is this? Nonetheless, it is what it is. Just because my relationship is over now, you shouldn't be happy. Totally. I can't see another thing. I wanted to apologize for misdirecting my anger towards you. Guys, here is Utiritiri. You know Utiritiri, as much as I have a problem with her, like I do, I'm not even gonna lie, but I love her honestly. I love her honesty in this thing, because when Uvuyokazi was exiting a relationship, she did tell us probably Utirelo Mpumelelo are probably having some pillow talks ngegama lakhe, okay? Hence why Utirelo is this disrespectful towards her. Like Uvuyokazi, our babe, told us. She legit told us probably pillow talk ingaye at this moment, you know? And we're just like, no. And guess who disputed this thing? uTeritiri was like, no, mina nje, no Mpumelelo asikhulumi ngovuye ngazi, mina noPhumelelo we just get along so well, mina noPhumelelo we buy each other presents, mina noPhumelelo this, mina noPhumelelo that. And I'm like side-eyeing her. I'm like, babe, I am so side-eyeing you right now. Like, I'm side-eyeing you as not even a joke. It's not even a joke. So anyway, guys, one thing for sure is that Tirelo has just confirmed that indeed Mpumelelo does have pillow talks with her girlfriends, or rather the new girlfriend with the old one, okay? Because for Tirelo to say this, it's because she knows very well that Mpumelelo was having pillow talks with Vuyokazi kuyena. She is aware that probably the reason Amahle is so disrespectful towards her right now, ilama pillow talk. There is no way and there is no reason whatsoever Amahle would just be disrespectful. You know, there is no reason whatsoever Amahle would just be disrespectful. The only reason Amahle is this disrespectful towards Uterelo is probably because ile pillow talk, okay? But anyway, who feels sorry for Uterelo? Not me, okay? By the time pillow talk being of you guys, she was totally enjoying it, enjoying the ride, even disrespectful, or rather disrespecting of you guys. She was definitely enjoying the ride. So, and the one thing that she does not understand, we will see, the new girlfriend will come. Again, manje, like the third one, still pillow talking on Nomteretir. The fourth girlfriend, okay? And the fact that Uterelo is okay having a boyfriend who just sleeps around. Sana. Like, but Sana, she did say, but I'll be safe than what? What is it called? But I'll be safe than sorry. Yeah, so she did say, she's using ipilisi. Yeah, mama. Yeah, my advice is hang in there, kwapilisi, you know. Just try to be safe at least. Anyway, guys, moving on what's gonna be happening on Izingane Zesithembu tonight. We saw Uguti, yes, Uterelo is gonna be having a meeting with Ufather in love, and baby girl wouldn't even be able to help herself because the tears will just be rolling. The tears will be rolling so hard, and she's just gonna be like, I can't even help myself but to allow these tears, okay? So another thing is that sizobona Mpumelelo azoceba uTerelo kubabakhe, and I'm just like, guys, why each and everything that happens in their relationship umusa is involved, umusa melazi ezinye izinto, guys, akumelanga zazi. So apparently not Mpumelelo, I meant to say Uterelo unomteretere arrived Mzumbe or wafike Mzumbe or something like that, enxilile edangiwe ke sana. Well, if you've been watching Uthando Nesithembu, you would know ukuthi umusa akabathandi abantu abaphuzayo, and he has always been advising his kids ukuthi bengabuthinti utshwala nani, so nje abaphuzi nje ingane kamusa zonke azibuthinti nje utshwala at all. So you would know that, and you would know ukuthi Usne probably is the least favorite child kumusa, because Usne uyayinxilela nkosi yami uhlezi ethi njena uyayiphuzela. So lana kena Mpumelelo uyamceba in a way uTerelo ukuthi uTerelo uyele wahamba noSne and babuya benxilile ayindaba yokudlala, and ke lana ke uSne uyasho ukuthi no uTerelo uyothi ufuna ukunxila. You know, she said things like she's going through a lot in her relationship, ufuna nje ukudecrease into ebizwa ngokuthiwa stress, and in that moment she just felt like ukuthi azishayele ibhodlela was probably the right thing to do, okay? I have a feeling ukuthi Mpumelelo will probably turn this whole thing around and make it to be like i fault ka Snake, guys, inuTerelo mdala. Mdala Utirelo is an adult, okay? You cannot force an adult to do something that they do not want to do. Like, you cannot, it's impossible, okay? When an adult does something, it's probably because they've been thinking about it and they've been wanting to do it. Also, I doubt ukuthi uTirelo bakaqala nqanqanqa ukuphuza utshwala that day anosne. I feel like uTirelo uyaphuza maybe occasionally then there and usibindu uyazi, you know, Mpumelelo knows ukuthi uTirelo uyaziphuzela every now and then, and I understand ukuthi why Mpumelelo will just bluntly paint it on usne and usne umuntu omubi manje, as if uTirelo is this good angel that fell from the sky and the bad person here unomtiritiri, or rather usne, you know. And I have a feeling ukuthi since usne vele benobabakhe umusa, they don't really have a great relationship. I just feel like this whole family in Tontoni, it will not turn well. It will not go well. It will not be the greatest thing ever to happen. I honestly have a feeling ukuthi things will not go well. Like, I have a feeling that it will not go well at all. And I have a feeling ukuthi nomusa naye in a way uzoyenza ngathi false kasne ukuthi manje uTirelo usiphuzele. Hayibo guys, please do not come for usne. I'm ready to defend usne ke sana. Please do not come for usne. Unomtiritiri nje uyazinxilela. Uyazinxilela unomtiritiri. Like, I feel like at this point akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi unomtiritiri uyanxila, you know, and uyazithandela vele ukunxila, and it is not i-fault kasne. Nkosi yami akuyona i-fault kasne, uyayithandela nje ukunxila, yabo. Not me saying such a bold statement ukuthi unomtiritiri uyazinxilela. Let me just say allegedly, but guys, when I sense ukuthi now people are going to be coming for usne, no, usne akamphuzisanga ngenkani. Now guys, not Umpilo esethi nje yena, she has actually ran out of cares. She does not care, and she has run out of cares. I'm like, Sana. Like, I'm just like, Sana, not Umpilontle running out of cares. Yes, Sana. Like, I've never ever had anyone in my life run out of cares, but Sana Umpilo was just like, ngeke singaphela phela indaba yokuthi sibe ne care. I do not care, and I have ran out of cares, and I'm just like, I love it for you, Kesana. I love it for you, Wena babe. Please, okay, you cannot keep on caring each and every time. Anyway guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, we'll give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one, when of course I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.